What we have to do today is make sure the well-being of the children comes first, not the reputation of the institution or anything else. The health and well-being and the safety of the children. To do that, we have to reach out and help those that have been wounded and work with them to help them, and make sure together with their help, make sure other kids are not hurt. What's happened and is happening at Penn State is a real tragedy. Many lives shattered. But there's also a real chance for those that have been wounded to now come forward privately and safely. And there is a chance for them to work with us and others to do something to help them in their own recovery and do something to help protect others and become a part of protecting others in the future. And for 28 years, we and our firm have been working with survivors of sexual abuse to do just that, help in their recovery and do something together to protect others. We have been working with survivors of sexual abuse by authority figures for almost 3 decades. And we really do understand how survivors suffer in secrecy, in silence, and in shame. But we also know that once the silence is broken and the secret is shared with us privately, we can enter into a journey that can help in recovery of power, that can help protect from future harm, and can do something to protect other kids from further harm. And when we do, we know at the end of that day and at the end of that journey, we've done something to help those survivors vanquish that shame and other kids be protected from further harm. It's real and it happens and we can help. Penn State represents a real institutional failure and a failure of leadership. And it really is a time for them to step up and not necessarily step down. And that is step up to put the safety of the children first and not the reputation of the institution first. And the survivors, by coming forward privately, can really help and make them do that so the institutional failures that have happened in the past are not repeated in the future. And the children are put first. And the survivors are helped in the meantime.